How to install your Mini Alpha. Remove the aerator from the faucet. For internal threaded faucets, screw the reversible adapter. Ensure that the O-ring is correctly seated. Remove the nut and female adapter. Insert the nut over the faucet. Place the rubber washer into the female adapter. Insert the female adapter into the fastener and screw it into the faucet. Screw the nut and tighten firmly. Turn on the faucet. For tap water, turn the diverter switch to a vertical position. For filtered water, turn the diverter switch to a horizontal position. Run continuously for 1 to 2 minutes to flush out the carbon residue. Drink and refresh with Megafresh.